Hello and welcome to a special edition of Art Walks. Tonight, we're taking a stroll down Spark Street in downtown Ottawa to experience the stunning ice sculptures on display for Winterlude. This annual festival transforms the city into a winter wonderland with breathtaking sculptures carved from crystal clear ice. If you're in town, this is the final weekend to check them out. Ice sculpting is an art form that blends precision, creativity, and the unpredictability of nature. Each piece begins as a solid block of ice and is carefully shaped using chisels, chainsaws, and even blowtorches to achieve smooth and detailed finishes. Under the festival lights, these sculptures take on an almost magical glow, resembling frozen glass sculptures suspended in time. Winterlude is more than just ice sculptures. The Rideau Canal is just down the street and offers the perfect opportunity to glide along the world's largest skating rink. And just across the bridge, on the Gatineau side, you'll find massive ice castles, thrilling ice slides, and interactive displays. Whether you're here for the art, the activities, or just to soak in the winter atmosphere, there's something for everyone. Seeing these sculptures in person is truly something special, and I highly encourage you to come experience them firsthand. If you're in Ottawa this weekend, don't miss your chance to walk through this outdoor gallery of frozen masterpieces. If you can't make it to Winterlude, I encourage you to explore local winter festivals or art displays in your area. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite part of Winterlude? And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more explorations of art in unexpected places. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.